Welcome to today's video on deep stretch and mobility for your spine. You can try some of these movements as part of your daily self-care. Come to all fours, but with your arms in front of your shoulders here. We're starting with a deep spine stretch. Stretching out your arms, looking slightly in front, extending your spine. Have your pelvis in line with your knees. Slowly transition by bringing your upper body and pelvis forward, looking slightly upwards. And bringing your spine back. Using your arms to support your upper body as you transfer your weight back and forth. Keeping the length in your spine as much as possible. And from here, try to hold. You can extend your arms a little bit forward if you like, going deeper into the spinal arch, opening up the areas in your underarm, and looking forward and slightly up as you transition to bringing your upper body to the front. With that nice deep stretch, let's get into deep joints mobility here. So start with small movements. Start to circulate your entire pelvis and spine, going through all four corners from the right, left, front, and the right, left, back. So you're essentially going on a circular motion here, circulating around your shoulders and your hip joints. Reverse the direction. If you feel a little bit of popping around your knees and your shoulder joints, that is perfectly normal. Think about oiling your joints. Now bring your body a little bit forward and your knees a bit back. We are doing the same thing in a bigger range here. Going to the back, the side, the front, and to the side again. So make sure you go through all four corners. And when you go to the side, the movement is circular. Watch how my knees and my legs are complying, going the pelvis to the side. And the arms get extended to the back as the weight goes back, supporting the whole spine. And reverse the direction. Allow your knees to roll as your pelvis is moving in any particular direction. We are oiling each and every part of our hip joints, our shoulder joints, our wrist, even our knee joints. Now from here, bring your leg up, bending it, and try to feel like you're cradling it, doing a hip release and hamstring stretch here. Now slowly rotate your body a little bit from side to side. It will also deepen the stretch in the hips as much as releasing the lower back. Try to keep your extended legs straight and flexing it if you can. We are deepening the elongation and the release, all happening at the same time. You don't have to bring the leg too close to you. You can also put it slightly further away. The important thing is bending the knee a bit, cradling your leg, and do a little bit of rotation in the small range of motion as I'm showing you. Now slowly, if you can, try to straighten the leg. You can bend it and straighten it alternately to try to get more length. Flex your foot as you do that. It will help to lengthen out the hamstrings more. Also protect the knee. Scoop your belly in, curl your spine more as your legs straighten out. It will connect the hamstrings more to the lower back for a deep, deep stretch. We're transitioning to core stability and leg stretch right now. Scoop your belly in with the hands behind to support you. Straightening and bending the leg without moving your pelvis, your abdominal, or your upper back. Have your body well supported with the warm-up we did just now, and the legs are free to bend and straighten. Stretch out your arms in front of you, bring it up, and release again. Flex the feet, stretch out in front of you, and bring it down, release again. Going for a deep spine stretch. Preparing for it as we connect the arms to the spine movements here. Hold the movement, breathe, elongate your spine, straighten out your arms as much as possible. Try to sit up as straight as you can. We are going for a gentle hamstring release here, flexing both feet here. Bend one knee, keep the other leg straight, followed by the other. Watch how I'm bringing my body a little bit forward each time I bend one knee. And bend both knees now, bringing your spine back and forth. When you bring it forward, you arch. When you bring it back, you straighten your legs, you curl. Again, bringing together all the movements that we did just now. The hamstring release and the spine stretch. The range of motion is small here, so we don't want to make it really big. We want more of an integration. Feeling your body, upper body moving with the legs. The arching and curling of the spine, integrating with the bending of the knee and straightening of the legs. When the body gets more mobility and release, it will be able to connect and coordinate the movements more intuitively. So as transition, interlace your fingers, bring your arms up, opening up your underarm area, straighten your spine and your arms as much as possible. Now slowly then start to side bend. Side bend your thoracic spine from side to side. As you side bend to one side, the opposite side will open up. We hold a lot of tightness at the side of our ribs. And this is one good way to release a thoracic spine here. Translate your ribs to one side, bending it. So if you are bending to the left, you're opening the right side. And you're bending to the right, you're opening the left side. Keep your arms straight. Let the ribs do the movement. feel yourself moving up all the sticky bits around your ribs and feel so relieved. Do a gentle spiraling twist to the side. Keeping both feet flexed, bend one knee only a little bit as you spiral to the same side of the bent knee. Keep the spine as straight as possible. We want to feel the nice elongation that all the deep spine stretch we did earlier on has given us. Interlace your fingers, bring your arms up, inhale. Bring it down, exhale. Arm and spinal loops. As you bring your arms to the front and up, you're arching, extending the spine. Bending your elbows, curling your spine. Inhale, spine up, arms up. Exhale, curl your spine, arms down. Arching, inhale. Curling, exhale. And that is all I have for this video. Thank you very much for moving with me. Do more deep stretch and mobility moves that will help you a lot to release the tightness in the body. Do like and subscribe. I would appreciate that very, very much. It will help me to grow my channel. And keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. See you in the next video. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.